paper, scissors, shoot. Alright, what's happening, guys? Today I'm going to be going out, if I can get a break from my shop, and going to be looking for the handle material for the flea market knife challenge. Don't quite know what I'm looking for yet, but I'm pretty sure whenever I find it, I'm going to know, and that's what I'm going to be making the handle material out of. I think that I'm going to end up going with some kind of fabric, do a Micarta, yeah, drew a blank there for a second, but yeah, it's going to be Micarta handle. Got the epoxy resin already, and I'm kind of excited to try that. I've never done it before, so we'll see how it goes. Here we go. I didn't even realize, but Jason, this man right here has exactly what I'm looking for.
Okay.
So, Jason, what I need is some fabric. Bandanas.
Bandana. Indonesia myself.
I'll be right back.
Okay.
All right, I think I got what I need. So, this is going to be it. I'm going to chop these up, do the Micarta with it, and yeah, should be pretty simple. I'm hoping. Never done it before. We'll see.
Best out of what?
We're going to do 2 out of 3. And what's the deal? What are we going for? So which one you get?
The big one.
All right. So we're going either, that one's 45, so we're going 35 or 45, right? 35. 35 or 45. All right. Here we go. Rock, paper, scissors, 2 out of 3.
All right.
All right. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. All right, hold up. I'm going to give you that first one. All right, here we go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Ooh, I got one. Hold up. Here we go. All right. Hold on, I got that. All right, I'm ready. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. That's it. That's the win. I'm going to still do 35, though.
You did it, though. You still.
All right, here.
Me to stop.
Try that one.
Is that, will that put me to the ground?
No, man, that one's weaker.
Okay, that's cute. Will it put me to the ground?
It's not going to put you to the ground. It's going to hurt like hell on your arm, but it's not going to put you to the ground.
All right, rock, paper, scissors, 2 out of 3 has to get this one.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
What's up?
This way you get it. Come on, 2 out of 3. Whoever loses, the other one gets to do it.
Oh, oh.
Come on. God damn it. Let's do it. Do it. You do me first. You do me first. You never do. Go. Go.
No, wait. Hey, light it up before you touch it to him.
Yeah, red means
All the way up.
red light.
There you go. All right. See, that one's got a little bit more sting to it.
Yeah. Let's do it. Ah, yeah, that one does have a little more sting to it. All right, thank you.
You're welcome.